So as you said, the complaints coming from the married people, it's there is one more reason that why are they complaining every time and every time, because now people want attention. Okay, and attention grabbing in any of the group or from any person. If you're just telling about your good things, nobody's gonna listen to you. Not everyone, your good things or good feelings, whatever you've done in your life. Like today, I've got 100 rupees or something, whatever it is. Nobody's gonna listen to that. Nobody is interested in that. But you start saying something bad about you, like I'm tense, I'm sad, I have this problem, that problem. People are listening that and they are getting attention. So if they're not getting problems too, but still they are just to grab the attention. In the group they are speaking about this thing like I'm sad and the relationship is not good and this and that, this is their problem. So that they will ask you, what's the problem happening in the relationship? Then the talk will start, then they will give them like praise them. Okay, no problem, the things will happen or something like this. Then they can just the things are happening like this. So people are getting attention just with this topic, I think, and many times people are doing this.
Much portion of the lie which you tell before marriage, that may also create to the conflict as well. Why? Because before the marriage, you just promised a lot to that girl. I will do this, I will do that for you, and we'll go there and we'll have a very decent life. But after the marriage, when the honeymoon period is over, after 6 months or after a year, when the reality that takes a separate part in your life, when the reality is bitter always, reality that exposes everything about you, the lie which you told your partner, right, which is going to be exposed right now. Earlier you said कि आजा चांद तारे तोड़ कर लेकर आऊँगा. After the marriage, उसके चांद तारे लेकर भी ले जाते. So see, start judging you on the basis of you promised, you committed something and you are something else. You are a different human being. By the time you get married, you become a completely different person. And it is bound to happen because the time changes, ideology changes, or experience of a person that also changes. So person changes itself. What never changes is the expectation. It is very tough for you to accept the fact of a person when the expectations are not made out. Never make a false promises, especially when you are in a love marriage, because under the influence or under the heavy infatuation, youngsters after the relationship of 6 months, 8 months, they go and get love marriage. Talking about the adversities, because there is no problem related to the casteism and caste creed and religion. There is no problem at all. So like youngsters, many times they are going for the court marriage, and these court marriages that convert into the divorce very easily, because the marriage life that just made you introduce the bitter truth of the life. Whenever you face a struggle, then another partner, it should be with you always. With another partner when he or she is judging you in the difficult times, so it becomes a very threatening for any relationship. Therefore you see almost crore of cases which are pending in Supreme Court and the High Court, right, where the youngsters and where the couples, they are demanding to have a divorce from each other. Why? Because the expectations are not met out. Another person, he doesn't only have the responsibility or the liability, it's just to understand you, you also have to understand that person. Like the problems are everywhere. Problems are there also in the marriages and the married life, problems before the marriage. There are different kinds of problems. After the marriage, you're crying because of she doesn't understand you. Before the marriage, you cry because you don't get her. Right? So the problems are always lying in the life of a human being. Your life is never settled. If this quotation that is properly suited to the tagline and the punchline of the OnePlus mobile phone, never settled, right? But you are never settled. Why? Because your life is settled till the time the ups and downs which are coming in your life. If this ups and downs that become settled, your life become unsettled. So the feeling of the boredom and the feeling of not respecting and truly admiring each other for the small thing they make, Before marriage, she looked very beautiful, right? And after marriage, the things become different. And you know what? Biologically, you are created in such a manner, like you get bored when you just adhere with a person for 24 by 7, because as a partner, you have to live in a room. You are sharing a room. So every small habit is observed, right? And you're quite exposed. As I said, there are many small and little habits you have in your life. After having bath, you just put your towel anywhere you want to put, and which is not right. Other partner, it may not be having like this in a sincere manner, and he or she doesn't think it is right. You know, if she comes from the different background where the curtains are ironed properly when which are hanged out, fine. And if you come from the different family background where like you have underwear and you just put under your bed and it is ironed in the morning, so so this kind of ideological difference, it is not going to do the job. And before that, you know, marriages are just a heavy amount of lie which is told. So marriages is, you need to think, and you need to be very sure about it. If the marriage or the boys and girls from both of the ends, boy or the girls, they are coming with a heavy amount of lie to just get this relationship fixed. But after this relationship is established, everybody is saying like you're bound to live in this relationship, but you don't want to live with that person anymore, because the person was something different and you're seeing a new person here, because you don't know the habit. So it is better to observe a person, like having a relationship of 2 years and 3 years. You get to know. You not only get to the person married, fine, but also the flaws or the negativity they have in their personality. You need to accept that as well. So you already know that when the things which are being revealed at the day-to-day basis, and you think, see, this is the bitter truth of a person, and another side you are seeing the another flaws. So every day you are looking at the flaws of a person. So your marriage life that becomes very hell. Therefore, many people, they expect the reality to be very good, and the reality is something different. So the marriage life becomes a curse for you.
Well, have you marked? Okay.
According to me, in bachelor life, they can go everywhere to visit without any permission. But in marriage life, the wife says her husband that you come soon and you don't do it. That's why bachelor life is good. And one thing more that today people are want to become girlfriend, but we cannot do get married because he wants to know, because we have no money to manage life. That's it.
Grasses of yes.
Marriage life and life partner dispute and any problem, life partner and bachelor life mostly people totally free and from freedom. They bachelor life, they any risk problem, they dependent on parents and other person. But marriage life and old life is better than on dependent on other dependent on life partner. They marriage life earn money, taking your bright future.
Yes.
And bachelor life, they earn money, but your parents and depend other person.
People's marriage, because he will not get married. He will not coming new generation. That's why people are marrying his child in your all time.
what I really feel like, as people are mentioning that there are many of the problems in that we should not face them and all. I really feel like just running from the problems in your life, it's not a good idea, because there are everywhere problems. Whatever, if you purchase this pen, then there are some the losses or some gains. Yes, some of the profit or some loss. Whatever it is existing on this planet or in this universe, there are some loss and some gains. Yeah, so if you just keep looking at the losses from there and just there, and you cannot live the life. Okay, there are problems with parents too, but you are living with them, yeah, because you have to be something. Yeah, so if you get married, there are many of the advantages. That's the person who's looking at you. You are the one. If you're a speaker, you can just sit and just keep say her to sit, and you just keep speaking or something like this. You can do many of the experiments, like if you're a writer, you can just show any of your poetry to her. You're a singer, whatever, the things like this. Yeah, so she can tell you the things. You can talk to her. There are many of the advantages. This is the small things I have just mentioned here. So the thing is that if you're just looking at the problems and just running from them, you're not gonna get the advantages of your life. Your life is just passing time. I'm not saying that marriage should be essential, but if you wanna just live it like your fullest, yes, what it should be, then you should get married, because experiencing that thing is also a nice thing. Another thing is that why we are having problems, as Sir mentioned, that there are a lot of the lies that are saying this is a problem. This is the problem beginning from the child of his child age. You know, these days we are seeing actually in India that the boys and girls are separated. They don't know each other. Yes, they are not able to talk to each other. So there is no better understanding. Just he know his mother, and only knowing your mother is not a experience. Yes, so it is a new experience that child wanna have to live with someone, and whatever he is seeing in the televisions or in the movies, he really feel like it's fascinating or glamorous or the things, many of the things like this. So he's very excited about that at the age of 18. Yes. So the problems begins from here, that from the beginning he couldn't talk to any of the girl, and he doesn't know what is the girl is and their feelings and all, because yes, we are different. The boys and girls, the feelings and things are very different. It's not really equal, what I really feel like, what I have experienced talking with them. So the thing is like this. So from the beginning they should be very familiar with them, so that they can, in the future, they can be better husband. Yes, or any of the wife, better wife. So you will have to be from the beginning to learn about this thing, because you're not only gonna live with the boys and only gonna live with the girls. So you have a social life, so you're gonna live with them too. So from the beginning, try to make good relations, good friends, so that you can just be very.
What I think is, grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. Till the time you are a boy and you're just looking at the marriage couple, and they're going anywhere by hanging around with each other, having a hand of each other. You're jealous because you are alone and they are a couple. And secondly, when any married person, boy or the girl, means man and the women, when they're looking at the guy and girl, they have not got married. So they are jealous to them. So both are jealous to each other. They don't know the reality after the marriage, but they already know. So they are missing all the way, all the time, their bachelor's life. That is going to happen always. You are in a condition of missing your past moment, and you just have some pleasurable moment or the painful moment when you look up to your past. So grass is always greener on the other side of the fence, I said, because of everybody is longing for the girlfriend and the boyfriend before they get married, but after they get married they are also searching for extramarital affair. You see, television has promoted serial in such a way with a different story, or the web series, because extramarital affair which are very common there, because you know what, need which is physical, which is never satisfied. It is just like a hunger, and when you have food for a particular moment, you don't need anything to eat, but after that you just long for having something. Therefore, like if your base is not strong, if your rituals and if your morals are not strong, you're not committed towards one partner, so the sincerity will not come automatically. In India, divorce rate is not so much. It's not so much because of people, they still want to be committed with one partner. When you go into the foreign countries where you'll find out the commitment issues are there, therefore the live-in relationship concept will be coming in existence, and when you'll be looking at them, youngsters before they get married, they live with each other without commitment in the live-in relationship. Fine. After live-in relationship for 6 years, 5 years, by the time when it comes to get married to each other, within 3 months they get a divorce. So what did you check for 6 years? They checked the compatibility, and within 3 months they got the divorce because there are commitment issues. Married life that teaches you to be living committed throughout the life towards a partner. Commitment that comes normally when your morals are very strong, because if you're a man of your words, I was watching Ramayana. Lord Ram once said, I will not have anyone besides you. Sita will be there in my heart always. So Lord Ram, he was a king, he was an emperor. He could have done so many marriages, but he did not do. Although his father, he also had 3 queens, right? But he just longed desirably for Sita, and so we need to respect that. This is our moral. Another side, you see people, they are longing for more than one relationship after the marriage as well, because their morals are very weak and they are going to have a sexual satisfaction outside. So this is one aspect, because their biology that is heavier than their morals. And secondly, to be committed in the life after the marriage, a person who looks very decent. As I talked about Sir Ratan Tata, and he lived his life with full of commitment. So we need to learn that from this man. So marriage life that just makes you a man of your words. If you're not a man of your words, what you said, if you follow, so people will automatically start respecting you by their hearts. So this is the thing we have after when we get into any relationship. Commitment issues which are there, that creates a problem. When we are not committed, we are not the man of your word, we will not be able to succeed in our professional life and personal life as well. Forget about the personal life, in your professional life too, you won't be able to succeed. Because when you give your words to anybody, you are going to be stuck with it. So think about it. Commitment after the marriage, that is a big thing, and people, they have a strong moral, they can be committed, otherwise it is not a cup of tea of those lumpat person. In our Hindu mythology, which is said, if you do not get married, you're just a lumpat. Fine. And most of the temples are there in South India, where you're not allowed to enter the temple because you're not you're not considered to be a pious and a holy person. Because when you get married, you become a pure person, you become a pious person, right? You become a complete man. Nobody is complete in this world, because you have somebody with you completed, you are 60% completed, 70% completed, and so do another person. When he comes and enters in your life, he just accepts your flaws and just makes you a complete human being. So you are also doing the same thing with another girl. So marriage life, it is very beautiful when there is proper understanding that comes with the trust. And we have trust issue because the media that is portraying us, we are just watching the web series, we are watching the serials or the movies where this affairs or relationship after the marriage, which is very commonly shown to you, and there is no harm, there is no problem related. This is a sin. If you have just give your words and made a commitment to anybody in your life, whether it is a boy or the girl, so you are going to have to stick with it. This is the mythology of India. This is the commitment of Indian people they have. And we can see earlier there were less number of divorce, and people, they had to live with each other, although there was so many problems in the relationship before, but now we have option just to take a divorce from anybody. So it is not always right, because when we are going to think before getting into the relationship, going to think about the divorce, that may be an option. So like there will be a commitment issues always.